Hey, what's up guys? So today we are at Tomlinson Run by a waterfall on a brand new trail.
I wish I had better traction on my shoes.
Same. Where did he go? Where's he going?
I don't know. Where's he at?
I hope there's an ending to this. Really? I'm coming. Slowly but surely. Oh, there they are. Ooh, wow! This is neat. Look at all these rocks. This is cool. So we just decided to follow this trail we've never been on before, and it led us to a waterfall. All this stuff.
My territory?
Nature's.
Yeah, I'm afraid of poison ivy right now.
Uh-huh, see? Should've wore.
That's poison ivy.
Where?
Yeah,
Really?
I think so.
Ew.
Hey Lucas, is that poison ivy? Where? Right there, you just passed it. And you rubbed your leg. Okay?
Oh, don't touch it!
No. That's not. Oh, I thought that was just like a... The trail does continue on.
Ah, walking trail.
Shoes going.
Get your shoe.
Get your shoe. Uh-oh.
Look at this. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out some fun.